Hi guys, welcome back. So right now we're gonna fry down the onions, the scallion and sweet pepper down in here. And then we're gonna start putting in our mackerel, the dirty gal, inside the pot here. Afterwards, we're gonna use the coconut milk in it to make the run down. Alright, so here we go. Starting off with our season, frying it down. I'm gonna have to put a scotch bonnet pepper in here too. Yes, to make it nice. Of course. And I don't like to use too much oil neither whenever I am frying down anything. Make sure everything sauteed down in the pot first before you start throwing your mackerel in there, you dirty gal. Alright, so now we get with sweet pepper and onion to where we want it. So now we're gonna put the dirty gal right up in there. Alright, so we are sauteed down this just a bit. Then we're gonna open up our condensed can, the coconut milk, and then add some seasoning there and let it boil down. Yeah, I have can opener, but me go use a knife the Jamaican way. We'll pour this all over. We're gonna put our season over on top of it and let it simmer down. Watch the scotch bonnet pepper up in there too now. One nice Alright, so start adding the season. Don't forget about the bay leaf too. Last season going in is the complete season. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna make this simmer down for a bit so you guys can see more in there. We'll make this simmer down a bit. Then we're gonna put the sweet potato then. That's why you guys call them yams. I couldn't find no Jamaican sweet potato and have this with it. I'll be right back. Stay tuned.